G'day, Ulkluti Spur Corporation, part of the Eco team. Today we are here with the Ocean View Football Club annual Environmental Day. We're out in Sudwater Environmental Centre. This year's theme was water-wise, being water-wise. We had collaborations between the Two Oceans Aquarium, Cape Town Water Conservation, as well as the Oceans Conservation. We had educational talks around saving water and the importance thereof. We followed with some aquarium puppet shows. We then showed some fish using the Ocean in Motion aquarium, mobile aquarium. We then went on to do a beach clean. And we ended the lovely day with some delicious Spur burgers. I would like to thank Spur Corporation once again for investing in these kids and showing them the importance of saving water. I'm sure it will go a long way into avoiding day zero for many years to come.